Welcome. In this video, I will show you how to use RAM expansion on your OPPO A6x 4G smartphone. To use RAM expansion on your smartphone, first of all, you're gonna have to go to settings on your device. And after that, scroll down to About Device menu and open it. Then here you're gonna have to select RAM, and to enable RAM expansion, which will increase your RAM storage by virtual RAM memory, which is taken from your device's storage, so your storage memory. Just switch this toggle to the right and then select the amount of virtual RAM memory you want to expand your original RAM memory by. And after selecting the value in here, this storage memory will be, of course, taken from your general storage and transferred to your RAM memory. But for these changes to be applied, you just have to leave this menu, and to apply changes, select Restart Now and let your phone reboot. And after that, you'll expand your RAM memory by 8 GB of additional virtual RAM. And that's basically it. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like in the comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.